Hey, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Fun. Today I'm back with another video, and today I'm on Beast Swarm Simulator, and I'm about like Black Bear Quest. That's what I can say because this is the one for the diamond egg. Oh my god, I can't believe this took me like 50 days to earn this. I'm in 15 days. Whoops, not definitely not 50 days. Wait, is this Windy Bee? Nope. Hmm. There's a royal jelly dispenser there, okay. Okay, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Alright, so basically I took a strawberry field boost. That's why I'm only doing the strawberry field. Like as you can see, 100% plus strawberry field pollen. After this, I'm probably gonna take a blue field pollen. That's Moonsprout there. Okay. Oh, that needs a lot. Dude, you could have done it while I was doing the 500,000 white pollen. And speaking of that, okay, there's 10 minutes left. And I'm only taking these boosts just for, like, this quest. Anyway, that might only, did that only take, like, 5 minutes? Can I get 30,000 in, like, 12 seconds? Nope, I can't. Well, I do have 1.4 times red pollen. Like, I mean, 1.2 times one them. Whoop, 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 whoop. There you go. Oh, I got some red pollen boosts. And then boom. That only took 5 minutes 40 seconds to finish 500,000 pollen. And to get 500,000 pollen, I should say. Anyway, let me make some honey. Now Wait, I need to first discover 5 blue types. Blue juice types. I just need them. Alright, well let's see. Does this do anything? Okay, yes it does. Alright. Yes. Okay, a bomber. Use another. Commander. Another. And I was just using random, like, what? I was just using random, like, oh my god. I can't believe this. I just got a red legendary from royal, like 4 royal jellies. Oh my god. You know, that's just OP. I'm probably gonna buy like 2 more royal jellies. I'm gonna get as much royal jellies as I can now. Oh my god. Which I think it should be pretty easy because if I go into the gifted bee zone, I can collect. No, that takes 2 hours. And so basically I can't collect those. I can't believe I just got a red legendary. What was it called again though? It was called Demon Bee. Oof. His attack is 7? A 7 attack. Oh my god, that's just insane. You know what? I'm gonna spend some honey on some, because I just want another blue bee type so I can easily collect any blue pollen after this. Alright, open shop, buy for 250, 260, and that should be good. I bought 2 of them. Oh, nope. I'm not dealing with nope scorpions. Nope. 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 Anyway, I bought 2 royal jellies, so I should. I mean, which bee is like I have duplicates of? That's what I always try finding. Okay, that's a fire bee. No. Oh, I have 2 frosty bees. Okay, well then this one is the one that's going to get this treatment. Yes, a Riley bee, a Luker bee. Yeah, I don't really deserve a Luker bee because I don't like Luker bees. They're just bad. 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 I guess I'm going to have to, yeah, I'm going to do this sprout then, okay? Maybe I'll get a royal jelly out of it, who knows? Boom, look how easy this is. And then look at this, boom. Honestly, I just need royal jellies, thanks. You know what, I'm just going to collect royal jellies, okay. Okay, blue bomb, blue bomb. Another royal jelly. Okay, that was a pretty good success. Because I got 3 royal jellies out of that. And I can use it on my Luker bee that I had just gotten. But, let's see which one is worse though. 10,040. Okay, this one. No, 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 I'm not transforming Bumblebee. Bumblebee is way too good. Yes. Another. Okay, well then after I got that legendary, now I have no luck. Gosh dang it. I'm just going to get an free and pass and then just play this challenge because it's pretty easy to get 4,000. Let's be honest. Look at this. It's already done. In like what, 10 seconds? This is so cool. Oh, whoop, whoop. Honestly, I can't get damaged. That's a challenge for me. Not to get damaged. Hey, just kill this 35. Thanks. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm on round. Okay. Just, nope. The army ants are just bad. Oof. Oof. Kill that army ant. Thanks. Okay. Alright, I'm at like in a few seconds I'm gonna get there. Yes, I said a few seconds. I'm round 3. Ooh, baby love. I have to even get damaged for baby love. I'm sorry. Okay. I just need the baby love. Because it gives me 2 times pollen. And it's babies. You know me. Baby. I'm a baby that likes babies. Not really a baby, but yeah. Ooh, a festive gift. Hopefully I get Beesmas cheer. What's Beesmas? 1.5 extra pollen. Oof oof. Nah boy. Nah boy. Nah boy. Nope. Nah boy. Nah boy. Nope. Nope. Thanks, sir. Kill that. Kill that giant ant, please. Please, no. I died. Yet at least I got 2 more royal jellies I can use on the stupid roar. Yeah. Yes. Okay, I'm good. Let's go. I got a lot of new bees today. Like, wait. Is that my 4th legendary bee type? Or is that my 3rd? I think it's my 3rd, but I might as well just check. Yeah, that's my 3rd. Anyway, I'm just gonna use this blueberry dispenser. And then, honestly, it's basically like field dice, except it's with one color field. Bamboo field, okay. I wanted to do bamboo anyway, so I'm good. Wait, how many bee types have I discovered? Oh, 24. Might as well use my last royal jelly on another duplicate bee. This is Bucko bee, okay, let's see. Honestly, since I hate lucre bees. Yes. A demo bee. A demo bee is better than a lucre bee. Let's go. Anyway, wait. Alright. That 9 million. Oh. Okay. 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 Ooh. Eh. Okay. Okay. Everybody. Okay. Eh. I have no idea what I'm saying, but yeah. Cool, right? Right? Banana. This these commander things are OP because then they give you a bigger backpack, kinda. Anyway, okay. Well, these are not so OP. I mean, these do give you 2 times pollen, but I mean, I would rather do this one. Basically, these ones that look like this are just good. And Cloud Boost, 25+% pollen. Bamboo Field Boost. Okay. Oh my god. Dun-dun-dun. 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 Oh my god, it's almost done. Only 250 more. 259. 255 more. Oh my god. Scout boost. Honestly, I just want some cloud boost too. Basically, you just gotta keep on making the cloud raid on you, or else you won't get it. Like, look at that. I have no idea why they added this to the game. I mean, but it's cool. Anything that gives me a boost, it's cool. Also, alright, that's enough cloud boost for me. I don't really need more. Blueberry. Oh, okay. Look at this. This gives me 1.2 more percent of pollen, like more pollen. Okay. Ooh, 1.4 balloon. Alright, I'm just going to do both of them. Look. 150 donna 150 donna 150 donna 150. And we're at 1,000 pollen per second. Eh. Oh, why are we going down a significant bit? Come on. Come on, sir. Yeah. Boom. Now that just pushed us over there for a second. Okay. Now I'm back to getting a lot. And then and then this bomb gives me I didn't even collect that bomb. Okay. And then now I'm back up to 1,000. 1,000, oh my god, 1,182 is the most I've ever gotten. Really. Hopefully, 5,000 more. 5,000, 1,000. The last quest is done! And okay. Okay, so I just needed to go on mute for a second, and alright, now that I'm in the 15 area, I can finally get the greatness of a diamond egg. I'm just going to keep it there because I don't want to lose it. Oh my god, this slot of a hive is $2 million. I just can't believe that. And just going up, going up, going. And open the shop. Dun, dun, dun. Hive slot. No, a hive slot is 3 million? I just wasted almost all my money. Was that worth it? I mean, it's a diamond egg, so it is worth it, Orion. Yeah, I'm also gonna make honey. And I had a shy bee. Oh wait, now can I do a honey storm? I can do a honey storm, right? I got another legendary bee, so I can do a honey storm, right? Yeah. Okay. If I can, I'm gonna check right after. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna do now. Discover. Summon a honey storm. Oof. Okay, this honey storm is going to be I have summoned a honey storm. I never knew this would ever happen. And then dun. How much honey did I get? A lot. Okay. Well, I guess bye guys. So bye.